Hello guys, I'm so excited because I received a package from Halal Exam. Do you know what is it? I'll tell you. So this box has a lot of snacks from different countries. Let me see. My god, it's a lot. And it's so cute, look. You can write down here snack and your opinion. Do you like it or not? It's cool. I'll do it. Look, it's, oh my god, it's a paradise. I love to eat, to be honest, you know, guys. This one, it's prawn crackers. Sorry, my English. Prawn crackers. Spicy. To be honest, I don't like spicy, but I would like to try a little bit. It's from Philippines, so we'll try in the next video. Oh my god, so cute. It's cookies Marie. You know, when I was a kid, I ate a lot of these cookies. It's from Ukraine or not? I don't understand. Indonesia. It's from Indonesia. It looks like Ukrainian cookies. Oh my god, it's so cool. I'm so excited to try it. Next one, crispy cashew sticky. I love that. Oh my god, it's, I don't know. I can read it. Sorry guys. It's Chinese. Probably. It's cookies. Yeah, I think it's cookies, but probably not sweet. Oh, one more cashew from, oh, this cashew is from, this box is from Thailand. Oh my god, I love Thai food. I don't know about snacks, but food I love. And this from, but I don't understand where it's from. Oh, original from Vietnam and Africa. I've never been there. In Vietnam. I have been in Africa. Oh, cookies with mango. I don't like mango. I think my friend would like it because she's obsessed with mango. And it looks tasty. Like small cookies with mango. It's called Le Poo. French cookie from Vietnam. Oh, one more cookie. I like this type of cookies. I know this type of cookies. Madeleine Bake Shake. Chocolate hazelnut. I love chocolate and hazelnut. It's from where? From the land of the pure. Thank you. Pakistan. Two. For me and for my friend. Maybe for me. Because I think it's so tasty. Probably for me. Handmade cookie. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Hong. I think it's from Thailand. I don't see. Vietnam. It's from Vietnam. Okay. Oh, it's like square, not round, you know. Samudra. It's also cookies, but I have no idea from where. You know, like. Oh, sweets! I love sweets. Dewberry, strawberries and cream cookies. It's so cute. I love strawberry. Where is this? This is from Philippines. Oh my god! Look, it's so cute. I think it's also from Vietnam, maybe. Looks like Vietnamese language. I'm professional now after a lot of snacks. Mystery box. Second mystery box. I don't know. but I'm so excited to see. Bon Moi candy fruit flavor. It's grape. My God, it's so small. It's also from Vietnam. It's like I went Vietnam for vacation, you know. Oh my God, lemon. It's like crazy sour, I think so, but I love lemon. Oh my God. Poppin' candy. Oh my God. I don't know from where but it will be my favorite. Ah, it's so cute. They put this, how it's called? I don't know.